Hello. Today I would like to tell you how you can perform a case-sensitive search using the VLOOKUP function in Excel. If we use the regular VLOOKUP function, it will not take case into account when searching and will return the first value in the data array that matches the characters in the cell being searched, regardless of their case. Thus, in this data array, the first value will be Peter, which is not a valid answer. If we modify the function slightly by adding the exact and choose parameters, the exact pro addition will augment our data by creating a true or false key against each row, depending on whether the data in the first row, in our case user ID, matches the data that was specified in the cell being searched. Next, the chose function will associate the key that was assigned to each row of the exact function with the value from the second row, in this case the third row, but in the original data array it will be the second row. And then VLOOKUP will no longer search by the value from the cell being searched, but by the first occurrence in the data array. And we will get the correct answer. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments. We will be glad to answer everything.